I've had a friend have mastitis 7 times. Each time she's had to take an antibiotic. I'm here to offer an alternative. The key is homeopathy. In honor of Breastfeeding Awareness Week, I wanted to offer 3 of the top homeopathic remedies for mastitis. The first one is for belladonna when the breast is red, hot, and throbbing. The next one is bryonia when it is hot and stitching and pale. A really common mastitis remedy is a remedy called phytolacca. That's more for lumpy breast with pain radiating from the nipple. So to finish up the story about my friend, she found herself caught in the Texas freeze of 2020 with no chance to see a doctor or get antibiotics. She called me up knowing that I knew about homeopathy. She said, "What can I get at Sprouts?" I said, "Check to see if you can get phytolacca and maybe belladonna." She ended up taking it, and she was like, "Usually I have to take an antibiotic for this." In 48 hours, her mastitis had cleared up. I don't know about you, but $12 and a trip to Sprouts sounds a lot better than a visit to a doctor's office and taking a whole course of antibiotics. Not to say never take antibiotics, but just know that there are alternatives. These remedies can be found at Sprouts, or they are linked over in my profile. I'm Angela. Follow for more homeopathy tips.